Good afternoon. Today we'll have a discussion about the infant radiant warmer. This is an infant radiant warmer which you commonly see in a neonatal ICU setup. So let's talk some basic points about the infant radiant warmer. The parts of the warmer. This is the bassinet where the baby will be kept, and this is the central control panel where you have to have the temperature recordings and other technical things. And this is the heat source. This is a heated filament, and this will be explained later in the video. So coming to the bassinet, here where the baby lies, and the baby is usually kept facing the heat source. Can you come a bit closer? This is the central console panel. We'll switch it on for a moment. The central console panel has three readings. One is the infant measured temperature, and another is a required temperature. There is a mode select button which is available. There are two modes in any new standard warmer. One is a manual mode, the other is a servo mode. So you can log between these two modes by using this select button. The manual mode, first I will explain about the manual mode. The manual mode has only the warmer output and you cannot enter a required temperature. The manual mode is a mode where the warmer, irrespective of the baby's temperature, delivers the required amount of heat. It does not regulate based upon the baby's temperature. So here the heater output can be from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. In steps of 10 the output can be adjusted. Manual mode is not routinely used in an NICU care. It is usually used in the pre-resuscitation part where you have to heat up the towels, other things which you need for the warm resuscitation of the baby. Coming to the servo mode. The servo mode, you have an option to adjust the required temperature. Usually we keep it at 37 degrees centigrade, which is the normal temperature of a newborn. For the servo mode, you have to know what is this. This is a skin probe which is like a thermometer for the newborn. This is to be stuck over the baby's abdomen. The skin probe is stuck to the baby's abdomen by using this flat surface which is silvery. The black surface which is curved has to be over the other side, but the skin should be in contact with this. It should be stuck over the baby's abdomen like this, and this will relay the baby's temperature to the warmer, and the warmer will increase or decrease the heat output depending on the baby's temperature. For example, if the baby's temperature is low but the warmer is then will increase the baby output of the radiant warmer. If the baby's temperature is normal or more than the required temperature, the warmer will shut off the heat source so that the baby gets appropriately heated up according to the required temperature and does not fluctuate. So always in NICU it is advisable to use the servo mode, and if you are using the manual mode due to any instance, it is not advised to leave the baby unsupervised in the area. So this is how a normal infant warmer operates. Now can you come a bit closer? Just have a look at this top roof where you will have a heated source which is glowing in orange color. Can you see it? That orange color is then having a roof which is almost very shiny, and this is the basic concept of a radiant warmer where the heat is generated and the heat is being radiated from the heat source to the baby. The baby does not come in direct contact and the baby is heated up by the radiation which is exposed. So coming to the point of side effects of warmer. Warmer is a very useful thing in neonatal ICU, but because the baby is getting heated up, there may be a chance of burn injury in the baby if the baby is left unattended, or the baby can lose water and can become dehydrated. So hope this tips on warmer helps you up and serves the baby better in your neonatal postings. Thank you. Here you have the look at the baby where the warmer has been connected. The skin probe has been stuck to the upper abdomen with the shiny surface on the bottom and the black surface facing up. And this is the current reading. You can appreciate now the infant's temperature is 34, which is lesser than the required temperature of 37. So the heater output is 100%. can see the same reading after some time. It will be decreased. The heater output will be decreased in this servo mode. Now you can observe that the infant has reached the required temperature and automatically the heater output has gone down to 40% so that the baby does not overheat in the servo mode.